así porque eso está viviendo. تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا.
This video shows two tourists in Italy caused shock after crashing and destroying two supercars in an incident that sent one of the Ferrari airborne, causing major damage and drawing widespread attention. Car enthusiasts, you may not want to see what comes next. A 2-year-old Range Rover worth about 1 million Malaysian ringgits was completely destroyed in a fire on the highway in Malaysia. It all started after the driver noticed smoke and pulled over. The vehicle suddenly burst into flames when the bonnet was opened. No injuries were reported, and the fire department is investigating the cause. Get ready. This car is about to pull off a stunt. What in the hell is going on here?
Después al left. God damn! Fucking hell!
Check out this car trying to exit the parking lot. What starts as a simple move quickly turns into chaos when everything goes wrong. Looks like he just got the car and hasn't figured out how to turn off pedestrian walking mode yet. And just like that, someone learned a hard lesson in an instant.
Oh, you ain't hurt though. The bag didn't deploy, so even better. You'll have another one.
You're good, bro.
Woo! Damn. Oh yeah, it's done.
In March 2024, a Tesla Cybertruck crashed into the iconic entrance sign of the Beverly Hills Hotel, turning a famous landmark into the scene of an unexpected accident. It looks like someone desperately trying to escape as their car is being towed by the bank.
Get out of the car and push it off, Arthur! Get out of it because you're going to get taken and moved.
I can tell you this. That guy definitely is smart.
2, 1.
Oh, where's the wheel?
Where's the wheel?
Oh my God.
Oh!
This is pure reckless behavior. An easy way to end up damaging your own car for no reason. Looks like someone is finally putting this off-roading Lamborghini to real use. This clip is basically a horror show for insurance companies. Something tells me the driver didn't stick around after the crash. Any guesses what gave it away? These are the kinds of people who drive while completely drunk, unaware of their situation or surroundings, and then flee after causing harm.
Pretty positive this guy is just rag and dry right now. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh snap. It looks like someone is going to have to pay for those damages. The Jeep's massive, powerful tires tore into the brick road as it struggled to climb upward, cracking and dislodging the bricks beneath it. What was meant to be a simple drive turned into costly destruction.
You all right, mate?
The name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park it.
Hold that thought. I think this Jeep is actually going to make it through, despite its stuck and the struggle along the way. But it keeps pushing forward. This BMW owner desperately tries to stop his car from slipping away by using a tree branch. A teenager with a learner's permit took control of the car, but within 5 minutes, the drive ended abruptly when the vehicle crashed into a wall. Garbage collectors normally drive through this street without any problems, but today a poorly parked car blocked their way. They quickly found a solution to get past it. car was vandalized by a hater, deliberately scratching and damaging other people's vehicles with a car key. A poorly built road and unstable wall suddenly gave way just as someone was walking by, causing the collapse to damage a car parked on the sidewalk.
Voorrangstanden, hè?
This is why you should always engage the parking brake. This is to prevent your vehicle from slipping away.
No mames, el Mercedes. ¿Qué pasó?
Jesus Christ, a train just cruised through the road without noticing that pickup truck and sideswiped it, crashing into it unexpectedly. But the real question now is, who's going to pay for all the damage done?
Chingue. El Mercedes se lo chingó. Valió madre.
Ouch, too slow to brake when a car suddenly cut in.
Is the car frozen there? Don't break the car. Victor!
I'm fine wherever you go, and maybe change your mind.
Another idiot forgot to put up the parking brake. This is how you deal with illegal parking. Block the cars properly, or have them towed away, so those who park where they shouldn't finally get what they deserve by being taken to the other side. The car tried to show off by overtaking, but ended up crashing into the road curbs when the risky move went wrong. When your wheel bends, your car doesn't just look funny, it can wobble and handle poorly on the road, turning a simple drive into something that feels more like a messy car show gone wrong. When your ego suddenly kicks in.
Whoa!
This is why you don't run a red light. Ignoring it puts you and others at serious risk of dangerous crashes and costly consequences. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.